Hey everybody, Max Trek Trains here. We are here in Wolcott, Vermont, looking at one of the last covered railroad bridges up here in Wolcott, Vermont. And we're about to go through it and walk through and look at this amazing construction of this really nice old covered bridge that used to bring the St. Johnsbury and St. Lawrence Railroad, which went between St. Johnsbury, Vermont, and and all the way to St. Albans, Vermont. And they still kept the old tracks. Now it is part of the St. Lawrence and Lamoille Valley Rail Trail.